Going on, guys? Shawnee Bitcoin's back with the cryptocurrency and blockchain update. Smash that like because I'm doing this video for the second time. As the last time I did the video 5 minutes ago, I did a 20-minute video and it didn't record. So smash that like. I got a little something for you guys. I want to mention before this video starts, let me share my screen. I created a Discord channel for the people on my YouTube to visit and to actually interact on this Discord. It's called Shawnee Bitcoin's Financial Freedom, and I will leave the Discord link in the description. 1 second. Come on. Oh. I will leave the description link, the link in the description. Sorry, my dog wanted to come into my room. Smash that like, guys. So this channel is specifically for you. You can share YouTube links. You can follow each other. There's alpha on new projects channel. Let's see how many people we can get in here. And every day I'll broadcast it on the channel if we get new people in here. Oh my goodness. Momo, come here. My dogs are so annoying sometimes. But yeah, join this channel, guys. It's brand new. I just created it. You can see this message at 10:22 a.m. And I do want to show you guys something amazing. So this is the Bitcoin Valley that's being created by IMSO Chris, and he's a game developer on Solana, but actually moved to Bitcoin just because of the development of bitmaps. And you're not really going to believe what he's creating. He's creating a metaverse on Bitcoin that's going to allow you to immerse yourself and create your own virtual reality metaverse. And you're going to be able to game in there. You're going to be able to interact with friends, but it's not for anyone. You had to get a whitelist to get into this metaverse. And the good news is that I got 22 of these whitelists because I saw early what he was building, and I jumped on the whitelists. They were $100 each for each spot. But I want to mention to you guys, I'm going to be selling a few of these whitelists to the people that contact me. Come right over here to Twitter and go to my channel, mfs.sats. You can find me at Shawnee Bitcoins with a Z. And just send me a DM, guys. Send me a DM if you guys are interested in one of these whitelist spots, because it's going to be insane. It's going to allow you to build your own metaverse inside of IMSO Chris's Bitmap Valley. And I'll show you guys. Check this out.
Flying here because I have the back door open so the dogs can come and go as they please. Awesome. Oh, shit. What is that? Okay. So I did. The screen probably looks fucked up to some of you because I pulled it up on the stream thing so that people can't see the URL. I have to fucking figure it out, which I'm okay in, to be able to use the Bitcoin Bud, which of course this stuff will be more gated.
So he just logged in with Hero Wallet.
And then I will, this is like free avatars, right? And we'll add a couple other ones for you guys to run around in, but like specific ones like this Bitcoin Bud one, it will not be available to you because it's mine, motherfucker. Security Chris. There we go. Click start. All right, you're going to Bitcoin Valley. Now, forgive it if the YouTube video starts playing, because on the phone, I can just tap it and turn it off. I assume I can click it and turn it off on here, but I haven't really talked about it. And yesterday he sent me this. I didn't spend much time in here, so you guys are basically going to see shit for the first time right alongside of me, I believe. There we go. All right, his little feet were in the ground when we started. Oh, look at my boy Jimmy over there. Hey, Jimmy, what you doing? You standing in the T-pose, dog. Oh, there he is. Oh, that's a little, those animations are a little rough. Oh, okay. You see you can probably hear it. Fuck. Oh, let me try to get over here. I'm going to run over here and zoom out a little bit. So a couple things I already asked Saeed for was quit auto-correcting the camera when I run around corners and shit, show some level of transparency, make the zoom out a little bit further, give me a button where I can actually zoom out and see the entire environment from face down, and boom, there you go. When I hit escape, you'll see that I get access to my clicker, and actually look at me. I can just like load a different, boom, and just load a YouTube video directly right from it. How cool is that? And then you can just assign different ones to go in here. So I can come back, obviously, click, he's coming over here to see it. and pause, right? So I think that's a pretty cool feature. There will be billboards that you can put all over the place. Matter of fact, if I run over here a little bit, you can see a couple more places that you can put some stuff, like over there, for instance. You see those billboards? It says under construction. And then all these buildings could have doors attached to them and instances inside of them, or some of them could be hollowed where you could run in and out of them. It just depends on how you want to do it, right? This block is, I don't remember which number it is, but we've already customized the center of it. And then you can just kind of see like all the different real estate just in this small little section. Now, your guys' sections will obviously, like, it'll be a little bit bigger than what's here, obviously. But even in just this little section, just hollowing out this part of the block is your district, and being able to connect districts wouldn't be too crazy, which implies that, you know, you can have multiple districts to make up a singular experience. I would like for, again, the camera to go out further. I would like a feature where I can zoom out and see the entire top side of the instance. I also would like to run faster when holding shift. I do not want the camera to keep centering down. I want it to stay zoomed out because I'm one of those people who needs to see everything. Like, field of view is incredibly important to me. And then after that, we'll start incorporating some other features to show you guys how they work. I mean, we basically have them all on deck, but you just build them in one at a time so that you can stop any bugs or glitches from happening beforehand. And then currently what he's working on is the animations and the speed and stuff of the vehicles so that I can show you what that would look like. Now, these are just vehicles that he designed through together from probably some other projects that like he had. They're probably assets that are similar to something he's had just for testing in other instances. So we just repurpose them for this. Like, you have to think, I own and pay for all of this shit, right? Like, it is what it is. So if we want to repurpose it for demo purposes, like, I've never seen these before, but I just can't imagine unless he did make them fresh for this. But it is what it is. It kind of looks like a jet ski to me. But I think he used like Judge Dredd as a reference. It's almost like a hover bike or whatever. So I think it is pretty dope. Being able to maybe stream audio from this thing would be really cool too. And that is something that we have to work on with the APIs, because obviously you can't just have everybody blaring whatever the fuck they want. And we can't also give you a static track. We need to kind of make it up to you because, you know, we're not trying to like copyright anything or whatever. So anyway, I think this is a pretty cool example of like just a concept layout of how you could have a nice little centerpiece that grabs people's attention. You can have videos on signs. You can decorate your cities and your buildings with different logos and different types of signage. You can put monuments, you know what I mean? And then you have all the structures that you can create internal spaces or mini spaces out of. And so for me, you got to think how long we've been working on this. Not very long. And this is basically, I mean, this is literally the version from yesterday, which would have been actually ready the day before. So within maybe 2 days, I'll have another update. And then every few days that there is an update or new characters added or something like that, I will come in, we will talk about the camera, we will talk about the movement, we will talk about different things. If you guys get inspired and you see something that you would like added or changed, or about the controls or something along those lines, we can definitely do it. Now, technically, I can actually talk to him. Okay, so we're not going to do it, but most of you probably don't even see this because it's very small. But in the far right corner here, you've got unmute voice, you've got unmute video. You obviously have some sort of full screen option here. What is this? I don't even know what the bug this is. I think it's a bug report, and this is like text chat. Oh yeah, text chat. Jimmy. See how that works. See if that works. See if he can see it. I don't know. See, I haven't done this with anyone else. I don't know if that pops up in his little field of view or not. So you basically hit escape to get your cursor. And then you've also got some emotes and shit like that. Man, this fly is really pissing me off, dude. And it's not like I'm dirty. Like, I just got out of the shower. What the fuck? Uh-oh. I just heard something. Did Jimmy just talk? Jimmy, did you just talk? I bet he just talked. I bet we just heard that motherfucker talk, didn't we?
Dude, can you hear me?
Holy shit, I can hear you talking right now. I wonder if it'll dual purpose my mic. Let's see. Allow. Jimmy, can you hear me talking right now? I shouldn't be yelling, but Dude, I don't know if you can hear me because I'm actually.
I did saw that there's like with the video right now.
And he obviously can't hear me because my mic is being used by the program that I'm streaming to you guys on. So he can't hear me. Well, maybe he can hear me through the headset. I wonder if
Dude, this is so trippy right now.
yeah, shit, this is dead. I don't know what mic it's defaulting to for me, but how sick is that? You can hear Jimmy's voice coming through, right? And then we can do video. So it says, do you want to access the camera? You denied webcam permission. You need to update permissions to send your camera because again, I have it in use by the software that I'm streaming to you guys from. But if I wasn't streaming to you guys, voice and video chat already work, right? How fucking sick is that? Animations were a little glitchy with the mobile, but he already mentioned that yesterday. I'm not that happy with the camera. That's definite. And
Cool.
like he's catching up, dude. I love it. All right, so you guys can see that it fucking works and it lets you verify with Hero Wallet and some of the stuff we've shown you designed, and I'm physically in it. And in case you thought I was tricking you motherfuckers with an offline version, Jimmy's up in this motherfucker too. So it is what it is, dog. We've been working on this shit for like a fucking week, and this is already what we've cooked up for you. Once we cook up a little more crack, we'll start working on the algorithm to get you your plots ready, and then we'll start collecting bitmap addresses. Now, we do have the IMSO Immortal Mint coming up, and that will be over the next month or two, which is before Wave 2 releases. So what we are going to do is I'm going to offer 100 Immortals. Ah, shit. It's so loud. It's so loud, dog. Y'all can hear me so fucking loud, bro. All right. So basically, the IMSO Immortals, there are 100.
All right, guys. So you see what's going on. We basically covered how big this is. This is basically a metaverse built on top of your bitmap that you'll verify with Hero Wallet. You'll verify that the bitmap is in your wallet, and if the bitmap is in your wallet, it will let you access Bitmap Valley if you were verified with IMSO Chris. Now, there was only 500 whitelist spots for IMSO Chris's Bitmap Valley, and yeah, I got about 20 plus of these spots. So I'm one of the biggest holders of the most real estate in Bitmap Valley. And if you guys do want to build your own metaverse, contact me directly in the Discord link that I provided in the description, which is the new Shawnee Bitcoins YouTube Discord. And also contact, or if you don't want to do that, you can also contact me on Twitter, mf.sats, Shawnee Bitcoins. I'll leave the link in the description also. And you guys can scoop some of this land and build whatever you want inside your own city. It's basically a once in a lifetime opportunity I'm trying to give you guys here. If you have an NFT collection, if you have some ideas on what kind of world you would want to create where other people can come in and hang out, yeah, you can get really creative with this. I have some crazy ideas that I'm cooking up to create this virtual world. And yeah, like I said, I have 22 spots, so I have 21 extra. I'm only going to be selling about 2 or 3 or 4 of these, so contact me. I'm sure I'll have a bunch of people after this video contacting me. And I'm not going to sell them for $100 because that's what I bought them for. So I'll sell them for a little bit more, and definitely going to make some profit on it because I need some liquidity. And yeah, you guys can see how big this is. You can talk to each other in there. You can stream videos on the billboards. You can do whatever you want practically. It's pretty trippy, I'm not going to lie. But smash that like if you appreciate IMSO Chris building on Bitmap and on Bitcoin. And this is all on chain. Well, actually, it's basically on chain until you go into the virtual world. But you will be able to use your .sats name. Like I have mf.sats, you can just send Bitcoin directly to mf.sats in the virtual world with Hero Wallet, and it'll basically arrive to mf.sats directly to my wallet. Yeah, smash that like if you guys appreciate this video. Hit up the Discord, the new Discord, which I'm going to leave the link in the description. Hope everybody has a blessed day. And check it out. It's pretty amazing.